bit. Hell yeah. Damn, this road sucks. Hell yeah. Hopefully it'll keep my food warm if I do the freaking seat warmer. Not exactly sure how that'll work, but let's hope that does. Y'all, the sound on this, awesome. 10 out of 10. Look, I'm only going 70 miles per hour right now. If you're watching it though, it probably sounds like I'm doing dumb numbers, but I'm going speed limit. Got me some Chick-fil-A. But at any moment, you know, any moment. 1, 2, 3. Just practicing, y'all. Just practicing. Man, I don't really know what to say about this car. I might have to drive it soon. I mean, I'm driving it now, obviously, but drive it again and just do like a freaking review on it. This car is awesome. It's getting a little hot in here. Let's cut everything down. Thankfully, man, this is a 2017 SS. A 2 SS model is like the, you know what I'm saying, top trim you could get at the time. And heated seats, I like that a lot. Heated steering wheel. I think the only thing now that changed compared that the newer, or I guess the newest, couldn't even hear me for a bit. But I think the only thing that changed really from the, I guess like a 23 model, the newest model that Chevy sold, is the freaking digital mirror right here. I don't have that, but you know, this car is from 2017, so I was like, what, 8 years old now? It is old, man. Yeah, you can still feel the tires being cold. It's cool there, but it's actually cold. Oh, but also I gotta keep in mind, this car does sound this loud, this good. Nah, let's keep the windows up. It's probably gonna sound too windy. But I do have like, I don't even want to think about how much money I spent in mods. But you know what I'm saying, full Borla exhaust. And some headers too. Not Borla headers, but Cook's headers, but yeah. Let's see if we could hear some man, this road sucks.